So I have 1.25 inches spacers on here, and this is how much space I have on here. I'm gonna install 2 inches spacers on it. Let's see how it's gonna look after I put it on there. So I'm unboxing the spacers. Here we go. Let's spacers, 2-inch spacers. The tools I'm gonna need is a 20 millimeter socket, impact, and a tuck wrench. Take the wheels off. So this is the 1.25 inch, and this is the 2 inches. So you can see the difference. Just a little bit. I'm not going to take this out with the impact. I'm going to do this manual. So you can see the difference. This is the old one. This is the new one.
These 2 bolts per side? 2 bolts. 2 bolts. That's good.
One o'clock, 7 o'clock. Yeah. So here, here.
Got the wheels on?
40, 90. So that's good. Back again, viewers. So this is the final piece. After installing everything together, this is how it looks now. It's a little bit bulk outside than it used to be. I'll post before and after pictures soon. It looks great. And let's compare the space between the knuckle and the thigh. So now you see, first it used to be like that. Now all 4 fingers can fit in. So it gives it more room. And I love it. It looks great on it. So I'm looking for the fender flare with the rivets, the bigger ones. I'm looking for that here. You know, if any of you viewers or truck lovers have a link I can purchase one, I will appreciate that. I want the one that can, you know, just kind of bigger one, the river. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and comment, like. If you have any suggestion or anything you want to share, please do not hesitate. And make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.